In this video, you'll learn how to hide and show guides in your design workspace so you can focus on your layout without those blue lines getting in the way. We'll keep it simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly turn guides off and back on whenever you need them. Guides are those thin blue lines you see over your document. They don't print and they're not part of your final design, but they're incredibly useful for lining things up precisely. Over time, though, especially if you're working on a complex project, they can start to clutter your view. That's where hiding and showing guides becomes really helpful. First, make sure you have your document open and you can actually see some guides on the screen. If you've previously created them, they'll typically appear as blue vertical or horizontal lines that snap objects into place when you drag them nearby. If you don't see any guides at all, you might need to create a few first, but assuming they're already there, let's focus on controlling their visibility. To hide the guides, move your cursor up to the top of the screen and click on the View menu. This is where most of your visual options and layout controls live. When the menu opens, look down the list until you find the Grids and Guides section. Hover over or click on Grids and Guides and you'll see a submenu appear. In that submenu, choose Hide Guides. As soon as you select Hide Guides, all those blue guidelines will disappear from your workspace. It's important to understand that they're not deleted. They're still there in the background, holding their positions. You've just turned off their visibility. This is perfect when you want a clean look at your design without distractions, especially before exporting, presenting, or reviewing your work. Now, you might continue working for a while and then realize you want your guides back so you can realign elements or check spacing. Bringing them back is just as straightforward. Once again, go up to the View menu at the top of the screen, open it, then find and select Grids and Guides. In that submenu, this time you'll choose Show Guides. The moment you click Show Guides, all your previously hidden blue guides will reappear in exactly the same places as before. Any snapping behavior or alignment help they provided will be available again, just like you never hid them at all. A useful tip is to get into the habit of toggling guides on and off as you move between detailed alignment work and broader visual checks. Turn them on when you're arranging elements precisely, then hide them when you want to evaluate color, typography, and overall composition without the extra lines on top. This simple toggle can make your workspace feel much cleaner and help you spot design issues more easily. So, to recap in plain language, go to View, then Grids and Guides, and choose Hide Guides when you want a clear view. Go back to View, Grids and Guides, and choose Show Guides when you're ready to see them again. Once you've done this a few times, it will become second nature, and you'll switch between the two modes without even thinking about it.